Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Common Flavor Royalty. The song is Lovely One, the artist is the Jackson, the choreography is JERMAINE, Jeremy, and KRIS. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, check out the choreographer and I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Royalty.
Flavor Royalty. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.